probably wondering why we made this name.
So we decided to harmonize our efforts just like musical notes that harmonize with each other. Let us introduce ourselves to you. I'm Waida,
I'm Anwar.
along with Dr. Muhammad and Ali Muhammad. Let's start with Slangs. As we said, we are a team Harmonia. And as our name suggests, we're all about harmony and the music creates with connection that brings people together. So, music is a universal language that makes people act with each other. So when it came time to choose our topic, we decided to identify our identity of the team, music. First, let's kick things off with banger. Originally, banger is something that bangs, make a loud noise. But in slang meaning, when you say banger songs, it means the song that make people associate with it, make things bump up, have a catchy beat. Example, that new track is a banger. It's stuck in my head all day. Number 2, jam. Originally, jam is a sweet spread for toast. But in our slang, jam is either your favorite song or unreleased song musicians play together. So, this is my jam. Turn it up. When you hear your favorite song everywhere, when you hear your favorite song, you say, turn it up, it's my favorite song. Yeah, it's my jam song. Number 3, drug. Originally, drug is something that is full. But in music, especially in electronic dance music and hip hop, it means that anticipated moment that makes everyone applause and interact with the song. And I will explain it further in a video to show you. That's the drop. Number 4, spin. The original meaning of spin is to rotate something and to turn it to play a song, especially on a DJ set or on the radio. The song that DJ played it on its set. Okay? So, the DJ spun some classic tracks last night. It was amazing. Vibes. The original meaning of vibes is the short form of vibration, often referred to a physical phenomenon. But in slang meaning, it's the mood or atmosphere that song or a place made it. Okay? The song made it. Example, this song has such chill vibes. It's perfect for relaxing. Here, I finished my slangs. We've dropped some slangs from music. So let's switch things up with my partner Monar. She will drop some idioms that will perfectly hit the right notes.
Hi everyone. What is idioms? Idioms is words. Each word have meaning, but when you collaborate this together, it gives you different meaning, and we use it daily in our speech. And let's start. Number 1, music to my ears. Original meanings is literally reflects to music and the placing or enjoyable to hear. Something that makes you enjoy when you hear it. Idioms meaning when you hear something that makes you happy. change your opinion and think about something often ways that are more favorite or agreeable than before when you change your opinion. Sounds like a broken record. Original meaning refers to when you record the traffic or damage concept it's word. You read the same word in the music and ever when you repeat the music you get best your favorite part you repeat it. Idioms meaning when you someone keep repeating the same things you find it's so these present and beginning. هقول الحتة دي بالعربي إن لما نوصل في البيت كل شوية تقول أنت مالكش لازمة شايفين بتقول لها ماما نفس الأسطوانة المضروبة. Sound like a broken record. Blow your own